Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing something a little bit different. Here we have a 2019, this is a Z19 Nitro boat. Now I'm not much of a boat person, but I thought this looks pretty cool. As you see, it does have all the bells and whistles, and check out the paint. I mean, this paint is something else. Check out the sparkles in the paint. This is a red and black with a silver, and you can also get it with the red on white with black stripes on it. Check out the interior. It has an actual steering wheel similar to a car. And you got your gauges everywhere. It even tells you how fast you're going. Now, like I said, it does have all your bells and whistles. Now, you can get this boat here with two different types of engines. The first will be a 200L Pro XL 4-stroke, or you can get the upgraded edition, which this one has, and that is a 200L Optip Max Pro X. And that itself, the additional engine or the upgrade, will be an extra $900. And here's the engine. As you see, it says Mercury Pro XS. I'm pretty sure it helps power this boat to some nice speeds.